Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to coil your hair with Flexi rod. This is a heatless coil and I'm going to use Flexi rods and coil keeper from Louidais. I don't know if I pronounced it well. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how I did it and then I will show you the result after 8 hours. Yeah, so this is after 8 hours, so I will be removing the Flexi rod to reveal the coils. So you can see how coily and sweet it is. Yeah, so I'll be doing this and then I will go in with my hot comb and my hair wax to make it look very, very fine and well laid at the front. So let's go. So this is how to achieve fine curls like this from the comfort of your home without taking your hair to the hairdresser. Will you be trying it? Let me know in the comment section.